What's up everyone, it's Valerie here, so welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I just want to show you guys how to do your nails. Super cute, super easy, and super affordable is the big question, is the big thing. So let's get started. So I'm going to be using the Kiss Complete Salon Acrylic Nail Kit. Now this is a brand new package, but I already have one that's opened already from the last time I did my nails. And it's right here, so let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is take that wooden stick and push your cuticles back. Now this is an important step because you want to make sure no chemicals get on your cuticle so it doesn't burn or anything or irritate. So just push the cuticles back super easy. The next step, you're going to use some nail glue and some tips. My sisters bought this separately, so I just add the glue on to my nail tip and I press the nail tip onto my nails. Now I hold it in place for like a good 20 seconds to make sure, it's actually on there. Now I'm just gonna repeat this step until I'm all done, and then you'll see me take some clippers and just cut the nail to the length that I want it to be, and I'm gonna repeat this step until I'm all done and the nails are like, evenly the same length. Now I'm not perfect, so I don't know how it's gonna look, but I tried my best and that's all that counts. So next step, I'm going to grab that small little cup they give you in the kit so you can apply your acrylic liquid in. Now the acrylic liquid has a very strong scent. That's why in the back you see like my windows are open. So I'm just going to pour that into the small little cup. Since the smell is so unbearable for some people, like me, I have asthma. You want to make sure that you air out the area that you're in so it's not too concentrated. They give you this green liquid that's like, it smells like green apples, and you pour it into the acrylic liquid to make it smell a little bit better. And then I'm going to take the acrylic powder and just open it up and make sure it's all soft. Now in the kit they give you a little brush, but I don't like this brush, so I bought this brush on Amazon. It's meant for like the poly gel, but I use it for the acrylic because I feel like it's smaller and it's easy to use and it's beginner friendly, so that's what I've been using. Now I'm just going to take the primer and I'm going to put that on my actual nail before I use the acrylic liquid and powder on my nail. So I'm going to start out by dipping the brush in the acrylic liquid and getting it all soft. Then you want to apply a little bit of acrylic liquid, and then you want to dip your brush into the powder. Now you want to do it at like an angle, just like I'm doing, and then you want to make sure that the beads are soft. Like, look at the brush. You want to make sure like it's a gel. And then you apply it onto your nail. I always start in the center where, I applied the tip and get it, as soft as possible. Not like as soft, but you want to apply like small sections at a time. That's how you get it almost perfect. I apply small sections at a time so that way I can control it. Because I am a beginner and I don't know what I'm doing and I don't want to add too much too soon or grab too much beads at a time. So I just make sure that I apply the same amount in sections so that way it can be as smooth as possible. So you'll see me apply some to the beginning near the cuticles and also on the actual nail tip because you need it to be a little bit strong. So just apply in small sections. Now I understand my video might not be like the best of the best, but watch different videos and whichever one is the best for you, go with that video. But as you can see, I'm applying to like near the cuticle section and I'm doing it in small sections, and it's getting really smooth, and I like my nails to be as natural as possible. So that's what I'm attempting to do right now. Now you want to make sure you're adding an even layer so it's not bulky or you're not missing any sections, so you don't have to go back in with that gel all over again. And guys, when I say be as light as possible, literally do that, because you don't want your nail looking like bulky. Like honestly, I've been to the nail salon and they made my nails look like straight up shovels, and I see a lot of people that have those type of nail types. But it's like, I like my nails to be thin and sleek, you know what I mean? Because we all know it's fake, but it doesn't have to look like a damn shovel. Do you know what I'm trying to say? Try to make it like appear natural, feminine, stuff like that. So that's my goal, and I feel like I accomplished that. But you know, I'm not a professional. I can always perfect, you know, my ways, and I'm trying to. And this is only the second time that I've done this myself. Now I'm gonna do this until I finish my whole entire hand, and I'm all done. This is the results when I'm done applying the acrylic powder and the liquid together. This is the aftermath. So the next step, I'm going to take this nail drill with the nail drill kit. My sister purchased it from Amazon. She's not using them, so I'm using it for her. So as you can see, I'm starting at like the base of the nail, the cuticle, and I'm trying to get that as flat as possible because sometimes, you know, you apply too much of that powder on there. You want to get that part as sleek and smooth as possible. That's how you get the whole natural nail effect later. Now you'll see me drill the whole entire nail, trying to get it as smooth as possible. And I honestly drill my nail for like a good minute, and you know, not like crazy to the point where it hurts, but like I try to get it as smooth as possible. And it was smooth because I didn't apply that much powder to it. And you just see me, you know, drilling the nail, trying to get it sleek and smooth. And yeah, I'm going to continue till I'm all done, and it just looks like that. So next up, I'm going to take that Kiss nail filer that I got in the kit, and I'm just going to shape the nail and just get the corners to make it as smooth as possible. I keep saying smooth as possible because that is the honest key, because you don't want it to be sharp and then it scratches you. And I do wear contacts, so I want to make sure that I don't end up ripping my contacts or, you know, ripping my skin if I itch or something. So I want to get it smooth, and I'm also using the hard side first, and I'm gonna run that along the nail also, just to make sure I got it as smooth as possible if I missed any spots with the drill. Now this is helpful because you can literally use it without it hurting, and do you see that? Look at that compared to the other one. It's smooth. So I continued on and doing that to all of my nails until I was all finished. So this is what my nails are looking like after I drilled them and filed them. I feel like they're looking pretty nice and natural, and I feel like if I had like this cotton candy bubblegum type of color, it would have looked like super natural. But that's what it's looking like. Now I'm just gonna dust off all of the, nope, what am I doing? Oh yes, I'm using that cube thing to just kind of make sure it's actually smooth, and you know, if I missed any spots, I think that's what that's for. And if it's not what it's for, then just do it anyways because we bought the kit, so we're gonna use everything in there. Alright, so the next step, I'm taking that brush and I'm gonna dust off all of the dust that was on my nails and hands from the powder. And this is how my nails are looking like right now. I love them. So I asked my sister what color I should do, and she was like, gray on ring finger and red, so that's what we doing. So I got the Sally Hansen gel colors. I'm gonna use the gray on my ring finger. Also, I do want to note that this doesn't have to be perfect. If you accidentally get some polish on the side of your finger, just honestly take a Q-tip and dip it in the nail polish remover and just clean it up, and it's gonna look perfect. Honestly, this is super easy, and even if you mess up, you can clean it up. And now I'm just going to take the red nail polish and just apply it to the rest of the nails. And I honestly recommend these type of nail polishes because it's a week later and my nails are still looking nice. I'm editing this video right now, and I just feel like once they're done drying, they last for a very long time and they don't chip off like regular cheap nail polishes. These nail polishes retail for like $10 a bottle, but I think it's really worth it. And then I'm gonna do my second layer of the gray and then the second layer of the red. Alright guys, so the last step, I'm going to take the Sally Hansen shiny top coat and just apply that onto all of my nails, and that's basically it. Like, let your nails dry, and then it should last you from a week to 3 weeks until you need a refill or just need to repaint your nails over again. And that's basically it. These are my results. This is how my nails turned out looking like. You guys will see in a second. And I feel like they're super cool, super nice and natural and very inexpensive. Whereas going to a nail salon, like throughout quarantine, I learned how to do a lot of stuff that I didn't know how to do before. And you know, you never know what you got up your sleeve. So let me know if you guys like videos like this, and I'll continue to do them since I'm still kind of under quarantine myself. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys! Mwah.